Nobody's talking about this on YouTube. Did you know that you can use Google as your mailing list? And I'm not talking about Gmail. And because this is Google, it is 100% free, so you don't have to pay anything. And you can use it to get free traffic to your blog, to your website, to your actual mailing list, to affiliate marketing, or whatever you want. You can even use this to improve ranking of your blog or website on Google search results. And I'm going to show you how to set up everything step by step. And first thing you need to do, you need to choose your niche. That niche should be broad niche. Later you can create sub niches of the broad niche. Also, what you need to do, you need to create a Gmail account. Everything on Google works with a Gmail account. And also, Gmail account is 100% free. You don't have to pay anything. Now, next thing you need to do, you need to go on Google, and then here you simply need to search for Google Groups and then press enter. And then click here on Google Groups. And here you can see this is a new Google Groups dashboard. I don't have any groups. I didn't create any groups. I didn't join to any groups. So what you need to do, you need to create a new group. Simply click here on create a group. And then here you need to give it a name. So for the purpose of this video, let's just say affiliate marketing. Okay, and here I will choose domain. So let's say, for example, something like this. Okay, and here you can also add the description of that group. I suggest to add the description of your group and also to include your main keyword in the description of that group. After that, just click here on next, and here you can add some setups. Here you can see who can search for this group. I like to set it to anybody on the web. Who can join the group? I like to set it anyone can ask, okay? Because I wish to personally approve who can join the group and who cannot join the group. Who can view conversations? Group members. I like to set it on group members, but you can set it on anybody on the web or just do group members or group owners. Never set it on group owners. That is my advice to you. Who can post? Group members. You can also set it anyone on the web, but like I said, I like to set it group members because I only wish group members to make posts, and you wish to do that because that will actually increase engagement in the group, and that will actually improve your ranking of your Google group on Google search results, and that can also improve ranking of your blog or website on Google search results. Okay, here who can view members? Group members. I like to set it only on group members because I wish members to talk between each other, okay? Then click here on next. Here you need to add group members. If you have mailing list, you can invite people to join your Google group. After that, you need to just click here on create a group, confirm that you are not a robot, click here on create a group, and that's it. You will create your group, okay? And as you can see, I created a group. When I click here, I can see my group. There is only one member, and that is me. I automatically joined this group. And then here you can see my groups, recent groups, and favorite groups. And here you can see dashboard of my own group. Here you can see affiliate marketing. Conversations. Here you can see conversations. I can see approved posts, and I can see pending posts. Now you can set it up to all posts to be automatically approved. I don't like that because people like to spam, so I wish to approve posts on my group, okay? And that is why I set it up that I have to approve group posts. Here you can see people. Here you can see members. Here you can see this is my fake profile, and I'm the only member on this group, okay? And here you can see pending members. Like I said, I wish to approve members because I don't want just anybody to join my group because there is lots of spammers, and I wish to avoid that. Here you can see banned users. And here you can see also about this group, and here you can see my membership settings. You can set up membership. Here you can see each email, okay? You can digest, abrogate, or no emails. And here you can see subscription. Choose how you can receive email from the group. Now that is really important. That is why I said this is actually your mailing list. And here you can see each email. I wish to receive each email, digest, abbreviated, or no emails. And when you click here on group settings, you can add some additional settings. Here you can see this is the group name. You can change the group name. You can change group email. Here you can change the description. Here you can change a welcome message. Here you can change lots of stuff. Here you can see who can see your group, who can join your group, and stuff that you already set up. Here you can see group content classifications, everybody, adults only. Now I wish to everybody because there is nothing controversial in this group. Member moderation, Here you can see custom roles. I can add some custom roles to group members, group managers, administrators, and also group creators. Member privacy, posting policies, who can reply privately to others, group members, who can attach files, group members, who can moderate account, only group managers, okay? Or you can set it up on group owners, who can moderate metadata, group managers, but like I said, you can also set it on group owners. I do not recommend to set up on group members and anyone on the web. Who can post on group as a group managers, okay? Default sender, here you can see this is a default sender. All the people who are members of your group will automatically receive email from this email here on the top, from this email here, okay? So let me just scroll down on the bottom again. New member registrations and so on and so on. Here there is lots of stuff that you can set up, and on the bottom you can even delete this group if you want. But you're probably wondering right now, well, how do I actually use this to promote my blog, my website, my affiliate product? So what you need to do, you need to click here on new conversation. And here you can see this is like an email. Here you need to add a title of that post, and here you need to add text of that post. You can actually add an entire article. And to add a link, all you have to do is just highlight that specific word, then click here on this little chain, add your link, click OK, and that's it. You will add a link to this post. And after that, just click here on post, and that's it. You will make a post in the group, and all the members of this group will receive an email on their Gmail account. And if you added an interesting title and an interesting article, they will actually click on your link and they will visit your blog, your website, or your affiliate link. But you're probably wondering, well, how do I actually add members in my Google group? Well, one method I already mentioned. If you have your mailing list, you can add people, you can invite people from your mailing list, or you can simply search another groups, related groups to your own. So just click here on groups, and then here you can see my groups. When I click here, I can also choose all groups and messages. And then here I can simply search some related groups, in this case affiliate marketing, and then just click here on enter, and here I can see some related messages, but here I can see some related groups. So when I click here, I can see this group, okay? And I need to join this group in order to see conversation. But after I join this group, I can participate in conversations, and then I can recommend members of this group to join to my own group. And if I actually give them good tips and advices, and if I make good posts in my Google group, people will start asking me to join to my Google group. Trust me, guys, this is really good method to actually get free traffic and to get engagement and to actually engage with your own audience. And in this way, you can create the trust. And trust me, guys, ROI, return on investment, is actually really high with this method. And you can make good money with affiliate marketing by using Google Groups. That's it for today, guys. If you wish to see more ways to make money online, make sure to subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to like this video. And also on your right side, you can see more videos that you can watch on YouTube that may help you to make money online.